Hello there, great people. Hope you are doing well. Greetings from Portugal. Nuno here once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. So Apple released to developers, and also it is available to public beta testers, the iOS 12.1.1 beta 2. Many ones, many numbers. So the build number for this release, let me go ahead and show you. Let's go to general about. So the build number for this release is the, I hope it is in frame, in focus, 16C5043B on this iPhone 8. Keep in mind that there is some versions that vary from device to device. This is a new strategy from Apple and I don't know why. Okay guys? Now regarding battery on this, I'm still, after 1 year of usage on this iPhone 8, still with 95%, so everything is still smooth. I'm showing you this because there are some relevant changes that Apple is implementing on the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone 10, regarding the battery management. So I don't know, till now everything seems to be okay. Now, iOS 12.1.1 implemented, and you can check that on my other video, a new redesigned interface for FaceTime, and you can see on the card on the top right corner of this video, and everything seems to work very well. And again, I have already tested on this device and it is working without any flaws whatsoever. Now regarding overall, I always like to check if there is any lag, but everything seems to be, no lag whatsoever. I'm recording at 60 frames per second in order for you to check. Let's go ahead, open here some web pages. Let's go here to Mac Rumors, for example. Yeah, everything seems to be, pretty fluid. No hiccups, no rendering issues, so pretty nice. Let's go, for example, Netflix. Open here some apps for you to see. And also if there is any crashes. No, seems to be okay. Instagram, perfect. Now let's see the App Store. App Store takes a little bit to render sometimes, but it's okay, perfect. Now regarding Geekbench, what I saw on other reviewers on YouTube is that the iPhone 10, iPhone XS and the iPhone XR are with this synthetic Geekbench are with lower results than iOS 12.1.1 beta 1. On this one, after just a few minutes of installing the iOS, I still have the same results. Okay, so for example, this is beta 2 of this this release, and on the beta 1, if I go here to the CPU, on the beta 1, almost the same results. So no relevant issues regarding synthetic benchmarks, so everything seems to be okay. But keep in mind that on the new phones, the XS, XS Max and XR, lower results, and they don't know why, and I don't know why also, of course. So everything seems to be nothing new here. Of course, it's bug fixes. I'm hoping to see the iOS 12.2 and see if there is in fact anything new to see. Let's see here the 3D touch. Everything seems to be okay. No hiccups. Very nice. Now I have here on the background, as you can see, an iPad Air first generation. I know everyone is hyped about the new iPads. Guys, honestly, I use this iPad for media consumption, YouTube, when I go when I'm on the couch, media consumption, nothing more. So I don't see the reason to spend 900 bucks on 900 euros, sorry, on the new iPad. So for me, this 2013 iPad Air works without any flaws. Now guys, I'm still I already installed the beta 2 of 12.1.1 on this iPad Air first generation, and what I've tested in the last few hours, it's everything seems to be quite responsive, no hiccup, a little bit of a hiccup there. Let's go to the App Store. Let's open here some applications and see how much time it takes to render. As you can see, it's still perfectly usable. It takes, as you can see, a little more time to render the pages, but then again, for me, more than enough, because, you know, I was running iOS 11 on this device and it was in fact awful. Now the gestures are the same as the new iPads. Now let's go ahead and launch here, for example, YouTube. Let's see how much time it takes to load. Let's go to my videos. Okay, let's go to the last one, macOS Mojave. So regarding, you know, the amount that is necessary to download this video, perfect. It's about 2.5, the same thing as beta 1. Perfect. Let's quit. Now let's see here as you can see. Let's open here a folder full of no hiccups. Go ahead again. Perfect. Let's invoke here the nice. Let's go ahead and see. I don't know if we can do this one with one finger on these older iPads. No, the gesture is like this. Yeah, and then we quit. So regarding the Geekbench on this device, there is a slight improvement. Let's go to history. For example, if I go to the CPU, this is on the 22nd of October. This was 12.1 and these were the results. Now on this 12.1.1 beta 2, if you can see, okay, I'm going here, and you know the single core result is the same, and it is I think it is quite a little bit higher. Yeah, it is a little bit higher. You know, nothing, you know, relevant of course, but you know the trend is okay on this 5-year-old iPad Air. So guys, what I can show you is this. Everything seems to be working without, well, not too many flaws, but of course I have to check here this on the next, you know, few days to see if there is anything, you know, major, any issue, but I think not. So guys, for now this is all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll keep you posted and follow up on the next video. Thanks, keep safe. Bye-bye.